Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, the VIX cash right around 1350, down slightly on the day, but still holding to the top end of the range for the week after Wednesday's sell-off. We are seeing the VIX cash holding up here. And at these levels, it's trading at a little bit better than a 1-month high here currently at this 13.5 level. And when you look at realized volatility on a week-over-week basis, 30-day realized volatility has ticked slightly higher from the low level from last week, which I believe was a 52-week low, to get back into the 8.5 level today, up about a little bit over a half a vol point on a week-over-week basis for 30-day realized volatility. Looking at implied volatility in the SPX, we're looking 30 days out at the straddle in the SPX, and that's holding 11.3% of implied vol this week, and that's up a little bit over a point from last week's very low level, just below 10. So we are seeing both realized and implied vols levels increasing here week over week. And looking at the VIX futures, pretty much unchanged on the day with the cash slightly lower. We are looking at about $1.90 of premium to cash for the front month future. The roll market between January and February is holding a dollar positive roll. Contango in the futures curve and the term structure of the futures curve shifting higher this week, now with the back month futures trading just below 19, where last week we did see them trading around that 18 level. Looking at options activity in the puts in January 13 puts trading 50,000 times so far today. And then you go to the call side, and we're looking at some out-of-the-money calls active trading in the 19 through the 28 lines. So some action in those strikes above the 19 line as well today in January. Not too much else in the back months at this point, but nonetheless some front month activity here. And moving into next week, several things that could influence the vol structure. End of month, end of year repositioning. We do have data, minimal data, but consumer confidence being one of the bigger data points. Fed speak next week as well, and market momentum with the recovery after some selling pressure in the middle of the week. We are seeing most of the major averages pushing back up towards those high levels of the year.